Victor Espanha. That's me in space. I'm a civil engineer from Brazil, and in 2022 it was amazing. I was just living my ordinary life. If I was just a regular guy, then I was awarded a seat on Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket as the Space Exploration and Research Agency's first astronaut. Today I work with Sarah as a business lead and ambassador, helping connect people to our mission and showing how space science can directly improve life here on Earth. Mr. Indian Hacker!
We are going to see a live rocket launch.
I invite you to follow us in this journey to find out how you could be the next astronaut.